Good morning, children. Today we will start with a new lesson of English Reader. So take out your English Reader books. Page number 22. Take out page number 22 of your English Reader books. Lesson number 3. Save Jamuni. Children, you all know that trees are very important for us. Can we survive without trees? No, not at all. We cannot survive without trees because trees give us life. How trees give us life? Because they give us oxygen, and oxygen is very, very important for human beings to survive. So, without trees, we can't think of surviving in this world. So we should not cut trees, we should grow more and more trees. So now in this story, we are going to study about the trees. Now here the name of the lesson is Save Jamuni. Jamuni means the jamun tree. Children, you all are fond of eating jamuns which are purple in color. So this lesson is about the jamun tree. Jamuni means the jamun tree. So let's start reading with this lesson. There was a village near Panchvati forest. In the village lived two children, Karan and Kareem. Now there was a village near which forest? What was the name of that forest? The name of that forest was Panchvati forest. And that there was a village near that Panchvati forest, and in that village there were two children. And what were the names of those two children? Karan and Kareem. Karan and Kareem were the two children who used to live in that village which was near the Panchvati forest. In the forest was a big jamun tree. This big jamun tree had a thick trunk and lots of branches and leaves. Now, in that forest there was a big jamun tree. Which tree was there? A big jamun tree. As you can see in the picture itself, this is the forest, and there in this forest this is a big jamun tree. Now the big jamun tree, what was it having? It had a thick trunk. What is the meaning of trunk? Children, whichever words I have underlined, underline those words and write the meanings in your books so that whenever you read the lesson again, you can read the meanings so that you are able to understand the lesson clearly. So underline the word trunk and write its meaning. Trunk means main stem of the tree from which the branches grow. Like I will show you in this picture. See, this is the tree. This is the tree. Which is the trunk? This brown part of the tree is called the trunk. This thick part of the tree is called the trunk, and you can see from this trunk, this is the main stem of the tree, and from this main stem so many other branches are growing on which the leaves are also growing. So this is called this brown part is called the trunk, and this big jamun tree was having a very thick trunk on which the branches and leaves were growing. On hot summer days, Karan, Kareem and other children would rest in its shade. Like children, you also like to play under the shade of the trees? In the evening, like you people want to go out of your houses and play under the shade of the tree? So similarly here in this story also, it was the hot summer season was going on, and this Karan and Kareem and other children of the village, they would come here under the shade of the tree and they would take rest under its shade. Sometimes they would play hide and seek around it. Sometimes what the children used to do, like children, you all also might be playing hide and seek game with your brothers and sisters. So here in this story also, these two children and the other children of the village, they used to play hide and seek in the forest, in the Panchvati forest under the shade of the jamun tree. They would climb the tree and sit among its branches. These children also used to climb up the tree and used to sit on the branches of the tree. Karan would say, "Look at those squirrels. They like to chase each other." Now these two boys are there. One is Karan and the other is Kareem. So Karan told Kareem, "Look, Kareem, these squirrels. You can see the squirrels in the picture. One is here and the other is on the other side." Now this Karan was saying, "See, Kareem, these squirrels are chasing each other." Chasing means to run after somebody to catch them. Like when you people play, you also try to catch your friends, na? So that is called chasing. So that is called chasing. You underline the word chase, write the meaning over there in your book, to run after somebody to catch him. So here the squirrels are running after each other to catch them. The tree was the home of many birds. Now this tree, here so many birds have built their nests. They used to live in this tree. The birds would bring twigs in their beaks to build their nests. Now these birds, what they used to bring? They used to collect twigs. What are twigs? Twigs are small, thin branches of a tree. Very, very small, thin branches of a tree. And these birds, what they used to do? They used to collect the small, thin branches of a tree. And with those small, thin branches, they used to build their nest. And they used to live in those nests. Now move on to the next page. Karan and Kareem liked watching the birds. Now this Karan and Kareem, they also liked watching the birds. What they used to see? That the birds are bringing those twigs in their beaks and making the nest in the tree. Once a year, the tree would be full of purple jamuns. Karan and Kareem would collect the jamuns for themselves and their families. Now once in a year, this tree used to bear the fruit. Which fruit this tree used to bear? This tree used to bear the fruit of purple jamuns. You all like to eat jamuns? Yes, these jamuns are purple in color. So this Karan and Kareem, whenever this tree was full of purple jamuns once in a year, this Karan and Kareem used to collect those jamuns for themselves also. They used to eat themselves also. And they used to take those jamuns for their families also. They had named the tree Jamuni, meaning the purple one. The purple one means, why they have named this tree Jamuni? Because this tree used to bear the jamuns which were purple in color. Why they have named the tree Jamuni? See, the word Jamuni is written over here. Why they have named the tree Jamuni? Because this tree used to bear the fruit. Which fruit? Purple jamuns. Those jamuns are of purple in color. So that's why these two boys have named that tree, given the name Jamuni.